Hey, this is Brett Schiller, your Tampa Bay real estate professional. I am here with another home tour located in the ever so popular Wesley Chapel today. Lots of people love this area because there's so much development, so much commercial, lots of things happening here, and the real estate prices are some on the better side, I would say. So I'm gonna take you through this home behind me. This is a home built by Taylor Morrison, the Tortola, and it's got a lot of features that buyers that have reached out have really liked. So I wanted to showcase it on my channel so I can show you exactly what it looks like, why it's so special. We're in the Rivers Landing community, a lot that this community has to offer. If this is your first time to my channel, thanks so much for tuning in. My goal is to be a resource for you in bringing you the best real estate around Tampa Bay. And if I can be a part of your journey and moving to the area, selling in the area, that's what I'm here for, to be the best resource for you. Hey, let's go check out this home. Let me know what you think. Okay, let's give you some details about this Tortola model. So this is just under 3,500 square feet, 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom. You got the 2 stories and a 3-car garage. You can see you've got 2 on the side of the house and then the 1 directly ahead. So I find a lot of people use that kind of single car garage as a gym, or you've got kind of a flex space for how you want to utilize that. Or of course you could use it for an actual vehicle. And the starting price of this home at the time of this recording, which is September 2023, is just under $641. Now keep in mind, Taylor Morrison is a semi-custom home builder, so you've got flexibility in all of these to change things up, and you can really build your dream home out of it. Now you're gonna see that price increase. You've obviously got to pick a lot and put the options inside. So you're gonna see the actual closing price quite a bit higher than that starting price. But you walk into very grand ceilings here, 20-foot high ceilings. I love you've got the master suite in the back, you've got a guest room off to the side, and all the open space in the middle of the house. So it is very well designed, flows very well. I want you to really get a feel for the house, take a look around, and I'm gonna get out of your hair. So you enjoy your tour, and we'll look forward to seeing you at the end. So that wraps it up, guys. The Tortola in the Rivers Landing community. Hope you enjoyed the opportunity to see that home. It's something that you could be building right now in the Tampa Bay area. So if you and your family are looking to relocate to the area, or maybe you already live in Tampa and you're looking for a better opportunity, new place that you want to take your family, hey, that's what I'm here for, to be your guide. I've been to most of the communities, I say, in front of the development, try to bring the best opportunities in front of my YouTube audience. So there's my number. Hit me up if you need help. Can answer questions for you about anything home related in the Tampa Bay area. Let's go. See you on the next one.